Girls, Daddy's home. We gotta go, guys. Pack up your stuff. Come on, you guys, get your toys. We gotta get out of here, quick. I didn't kill another hooker. You old bitch. God. We gotta go. Come on, guys, get her back. I gotta make the bed. No time. Okay, girls. I have to explain a few things to you. Okay? Daddy got in a little bit of trouble, but he fixed it. See our new home? It's big. See, it's got a yard. It's big. They won't find us anymore. See, it's gonna be happy. And we got money. We got all this money now.
Hello? We're talking with you and your neighbors trying to spread the truth?
They found us. We'll get you guys' toys. Meet me in the back. 5 minutes.
Hello? Hello? I can see you.
Get out of here. Hurry, run. Come on, guys. Hurry. Shh.
Hello? Hello? I know you're there.
I think we're free, guys. It's time to start a new life. There it is, Zoe, our new home. Doesn't really look like the picture, does it, girls? Don't even start, Marley.
Bang, 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 bang. Yay.